Hello everybody, welcome to AtNET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Work, Energy and Power. Other question is, do two bodies A and B of same mass undergo completely inelastic one-dimensional collision? The body A moves with velocity v1 while body B is at rest before collision. The velocity of the system after collision is what? Both the bodies are moving. Velocity of the system after collision is v2. The ratio v1 is to v2 is how much? 1 is to 2, 2 is to 1, 4 is to 1, 1 is to 4. So these are all the four options. This question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2024. Okay, let us see the answer. By law of conservation of linear momentum, you know that total momentum before collision is equal to total momentum after collision, isn't it? So mass of body A is equal to mass of body B, that is equal, let it be small m, because A and B of same mass, so small m. Initial velocity of A is v1. Initial velocity of B is 0 because it is at rest, is it not? 0. Then total momentum before collision is mv1 plus m into 0, that is equal to mv1 only. Final velocity of A and B, both the system is moving with the velocity v2, is it not? Okay. So total momentum after collision is 2m because we have to add the mass of A and B. Okay. So 2m into v2. So this 2m v2 is equal to m1. Total momentum before collision, total momentum after collision. So mv1 is equal to 2m into vt. M and m will get cancelled. So v1, if you bring v2 here, v1 by v2 is equal to 2. You can also say 2 by 1. v1 by v2 is equal to 2 by 1. Rather to say v1 is to v2 is equal to 2 is to 1. That's all. Okay. v1 is to v2 is equal to 2 is to 1. The ratio of velocities. Okay. That's all. So option 2 is the right answer for this question. Okay. So we will see one more question from the same chapter, Work, Power and Energy, in our next video. After that, we will go to another chapter to discuss multiple choice questions. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.